Hi, welcome back to our lab session. In this video, we will use ERDAS to explore two-spot images. Before the lab, please log on to your computer and download the image 4 data from Blackboard. If you are using the computers in our classroom, for example, Lindley Hall 310, do not save the data to the local computer. Instead, save it to your student directory or your KU OneDrive account. Now, let's open the image in ERDAS. In the last video, we have introduced 3 ways to open the image. For example, go to the File tab, click Open, click Raster Layer, and go to the directory with the image. Highlight the image you want to open. In this lab, we would like to use the image from the spot multispectral sensor acquired over Western Kansas near Garden City. Before you click Open, click OK, go to Raster Options, and change the display as to grayscale. Here in the layer box, you can see only one layer band can be displayed. Go back to File. At the bottom, you could see some information about this image, including the numbers of the rows and columns and bands. Now, click OK and open this image here. Let's answer the question 1. How many bands are available? What are the wavelengths captured by the spot multispectral scanner? You can answer this question by referring to the textbook. After you open the image, go to the metadata. And the window pop up. Here you can see some information about this image. And pay attention to the width and the height of this image and answer the question 2. How many columns of data are there? Close metadata and reopen this image but with different color. Let's use another way to open the image. In the 2D view window, right-click, and here we have a list of functions we can use, and click Open Raster Layer, and go to the directory with the image. Highlight this image. Now, let's assign red to band 3, green to band 2, and blue to band 1. So go to Raster Options. Assign red to band 3, green to band 2, and blue to band 1. Here, please check Clear Display and Fit to Frame. Clear Display is to clear the data from the display window, and Fit to Frame is to view the image with the whole view. And now, click OK. So please answer the third question. The image displayed is a color composite. What type of color composite is it? Now, let's change all the color to band 3 and answer the fourth question. How to change the image color? Go to multispectral. And here, change the red to band 3, and the green to band 3, and the blue to band 3. And answer the fourth question. What does the image look like now? Why does the image display this way? Next, use the scroll bar on the mouse to zoom in the image until you can see 1 pixel or 1 cell clearly. Now, let's investigate the pixel values and the digital numbers. Go to the Home tab and click Inquire. And here, there is a cross cursor and a table at the bottom about the information of this pixel. Left-click and hold this cursor and move around until you find the pixel you want to investigate. For example, I want to investigate the information about this pixel. And at the bottom, I can see the digital number of this pixel is 80. For the other columns and detailed explanation, please refer to the lab handout. Now, let's open the garden image with the layers to colors set to red to band 1, green to band 2, and blue to band 3. So go to File and Open. Raster layer. Go to the directory with the image and highlight the garden image. And go to the raster option. And let's check if the color assignment is correct. Red for band 1, green for band 2, and blue for band 3. That's correct. Here, please do not check Clear Display because we want to display two images in one view. And click OK. Go to the Home tab and click Fit to Frame, where you can see the whole view of the image. In fact, these two images are identical, but with a different band stacking order. You can click the image on and off to compare the difference of the image. Always keep in mind that the spot bands might not have been entered in the correct order. Be aware of the wavelength range of each spectral band that you assign to a color gun. So go back to the question 5. Which spot image has the bands in the proper order? Please justify the answer. That is all about today's lab. Feel free to email me about any question. Thank you.